guys? Was up, down, all around. This your girl Sammy Smiles back with another video. Hey, long time no see, right? It's been a minute since I made another video, but don't worry, I'm coming up with one right now. Today we heading out to Great Lakes Crossing, which is located in Auburn Hills, Michigan. We're visiting the Sealife Aquarium. So I hope you guys come along with us while we go on this adventure. So this is the front. So I guess you wait in line here when it's a crowd. And then you can take a picture right here with your family. Pretty cool. Alright. So, hi. Okay. So cute. Okay. Well, let me catch up to the fam. Oh. Oh my gosh, look at the fishies. Hi, fishies. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Let's see. These surgeons are juvenile. Adult surgeon can grow just as under 9 feet long. Did you know these creatures can be found at local lakes? No. But now I do know. You got a little touch screen to tell you more information about different fishies. Okay. Didn't know that about a goldfish. It's an invasive species. Didn't know. That's why I like going and doing things like this, because you learn new and unique things. Uh-oh, Kiki's trapped, along with Marmar. Uh-oh, fishies, don't get him. It's kind of dark in here, but they say these baby fish came from a hatchery. Hatcheries are places where fish and other aquatic creatures are bred and raised through the first few stages of their lives. Hatcheries help support both fishing and conservation activities. Okay.
Oh, there's a baby fish. Huh? Where? Right there. A muddy one.
Baby fishy. Ava said I'm not going to be just by myself in that stroller. I'm going to go ahead and get in here.
Ava! Ava! Maria!
She made her run for it. Oh, there she go. And she's off. She's out of here.
This way.
So, what's for dinner? That's what I was thinking. Soft-shell turtles are carnivores, which means they only eat other animals. Oh. Beavers are omnivores, which means they only eat plants. Catfish are omnivores, which means they eat animals and plants. Clayfish are demivores, I believe, which means they are scavengers and eat anything they can find. Okay. I thought catfish was scavengers. Learn something new. Again, see, I'm just going to keep saying learn something new. Okay? That's going to be my say. Okay. More little touch to learn. Different fish. Learning about all these fish is really relaxes me. Like being here, seeing all these fish. Some more fish. Oh, look at him. Hi.
Daddy, let's go.
Hi. Okay. I guess he got tired of looking at me. This fish almost kind of remind me of like, I know it's not a clownfish, but some sort of tropical fish. Let me look over here and see if they got any detail. Okay, looks like it's either the queen angelfish, kind of look like that, and I don't think it's no, it's not a pork fish, so it was the queen angelfish. There she goes again. Now, in this one, it's supposed to have yellow stingray, Bermuda chub, blue street damsel, bamboo shark, sheephead, blue sock stingray, and thin fin blue ray. Okay. So of course, when I like lag behind, the kids found some stuff to do. Look like they at the rock pools.
It feels good. Daddy, touch it.
Oh my gosh. We could touch the tentacles too.
I highly encourage it. Just to say that you did it.
Oh my god, this is so weird.
I was like, we can eat it.
That is so cool.
Ava, touch it.
Hey, Kiki, watch out. I want to see if she can do it. Now, touching that rock crab, man. Oh, what was it? A starfish? And I haven't catch the name of the other thing we touched. That thing was, it was sticky. I touched the belly and rubbed it. It was so weird. I mean, it was definitely different.
Look at it go all the way around. What's a shark? I really want to see sharks.
So they got Seafood Watch Cafe of different foods. You can learn how to make better choices about seafood when you buy them. Okay, this is perfect for this time. Usually this is Lent season, so a lot of people like to eat seafood on Fridays until Easter. Scared me. Scared me again. Look like you got some mangroves in there. So look like they got some interactive games here.
I'll pick blue. Blue. And
Oh, look, somebody wrote their name Braylon. Okay, guys.
everything.
We'll do that one.
Mommy, look, mine has magic.
Oh, I can't write the whole thing. My fingers are too fat.
Mom, what do you have to do here? Stop.
Oh yeah, I totally
I'm stuck.
messed that up.
Mom, you have to write your name. Mama, when you're done.
He said wash the tank and look at it. I found my fish. It's a whole bunch of them. A whole bunch of Sam's in there. Look at that one go.
Look, it's my fish. It's my fish. Yeah. Mama, where's your fish? My fish is Mama, come here.
I guess when I hit these buttons here, it correlates to what I do.
Mama's fish looks like.
See?
Mommy,
I hit down,
there's another one.
and then they're gonna go down.
Mama,
Cool. What's your fish doing? They hang it up top.
yeah, 1, 2.
Here's something. You want to feed your fish shrimp? Look, I just fed your fish shrimp, so it's running over there to get some shrimp. Somewhere.
Hey, my fish is
You fed your fish some
Mommy,
shrimp. So seaweed.
Hey, fish. The big fish is in bleed. More water.
Devoted dads. Did you know that male seahorses have a pouch and carry the eggs provided by the female after 5 to 6 weeks? The male gives birth to 150 to 200 baby seahorses. I'm gonna have to tell Mark about this. Oh, stingray. It's a shark in Ray Nursery. Oh, I love how they do that. Look like they smiling at us. Of course you think of red lobster when you see a lobster.
For sure. And it has a long nose and it can poke these fishes.
All the chorus in this exhibit came from breeding programs at Sealife, Michigan, and other aquariums around the country. Oh, look, it's a turtle. Look at the turtle.
Mama, it's a... Mom, there's a turtle. It's a turtle. Daddy. Oh, there's a...
Okay, calm down. Hold on.
Oh, there's a shark.
Oh, there's
Another thing. Whoa! Shark! It's a bubba. Love shark.
Stop,
So they're your
Ava.
favorite animal, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah! Mama, you said.
Whoa.
Wow. Dang.
She said no.
Damn.
She said no. He was getting too close. Approach the tunnel. So beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this. Is this a shark, Mark? Just chilling.
There was another one.
Hanging out. Wow. Okay. Oh, so cool. So nice. We didn't get a chance to wrap it up because right after we got done looking at the fish, at the end they had a play area and some other interactive games, and plus they had like this hurricane simulator where you could go in and see how it feels to be in a hurricane. But I didn't hit record when I was trying to record everything because the kids wanted to play on the play area, so I never hit the record button. Silly me. But right after this, we decided to go across the way in the mall and try the shake at M Street Bakery. It was so good. We ordered the strawberry shortcake milkshake, and that's what you're about to see now. Oh, they got a lot of things here.
They got cupcakes.
I'm gonna go ahead and get this classic shake. Hey, Fanio.
We're hungry.
They got some other stuff. Cookie dough, cinnamon roll, macarons, brownies. Looks good. Got cupcakes. Rice Krispie treats, cookies, just a whole variety of stuff. Oh yeah. It's good. It's really sweet, overload. So you gotta like eat this with
like sprinkles?
No, you gotta eat this with a family. Like this is a lot going on, but good thing I got them to share it with, right?
Yeah.
All right.
It is good. It's so delicious. Get it.
Still
It is so delicious.
Still working on it, so. But my little musketeers is eating it.
And please eat this. This is so good.
It's really good. I mean, it's really sweet. It's just a lot going on. You got a cupcake, strawberry shortcake. You got the crumbs.
We got the cream.
Strawberries, whipped cream.
And the popsicle.
Yeah. And then the strawberry shortcake ice cream. So it's really a lot going on. You want to bite of the popsicle? Go ahead, take a bite.
Show the fans. Eat it, Mama.
Take a bite. Take a bite.
I'll take a bite then.
Okay. Oh, the baby wants some too. The cupcake is super duper sweet.
And
Too sweet. I'll let you
so
eat that. Right? Okay.
So good.
It's good. It was worth
It was.
$13. So to wrap it up, Sealife Aquarium at Great Lakes Crossing was a really fun place to visit. You learn a lot of new things. My kids was intrigued. They had interactive games to keep the kids busy. The play area at the end to get some of that energy out. So if you guys in the area, Auburn Hills area in Michigan, definitely visit Great Lakes Crossing and check out the Sealife Aquarium. Definitely will be back. And that M Street Bakery shakes, it was so good. It was definitely worth the $13. It was really good. I really enjoyed myself. My family enjoyed themselves. So overall, great fun experience. So make sure you guys like, also comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching my vids. See you guys next time. And as always, take care.